Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I help you improve your English level. My name is Jennifer, and today I challenge you to correct 10 grammar errors in the following sentences. I will read 10 sentences, and you will have 5 seconds to identify the grammar error in each sentence. Number 1. Me and my friends are going to start a new rock band. In number 1, the error is me and my friends. It should be my friends and I. We need to use the subject pronoun I instead of the object pronoun me. It's also polite to mention yourself last in a list of subjects. So, my friends and I instead of I and my friends. Number 2. This is one of the most important issues that we're facing. Okay, in number 2, it should be, this is one of the most important issues, plural. And that's because it must agree with the plural context implied by one of the. Otherwise, the sentence would be, this is the most important issue. Number 3. I think her cats eat more food than my dog do. Okay, in number 3, we have a subject-verb agreement error. It should be, I think her cats eat more food than my dog does. The singular subject, my dog, requires the singular verb form does. Number 4. Each of the students have to submit their assignment by next week. Okay, number 4 is a tricky one. It's also a subject-verb agreement error. It should not be have to, even though students is plural. Because of the word each is singular, so the verb should be singular as well. Each has to, not have to. Number 5. I seen a great movie last weekend with my boyfriend. This is a very common error. It should be, I saw a great movie last weekend with my boyfriend. We only use seen with the present perfect. I have seen. But the past simple tense of see is saw. And we need to use the past simple because we have last weekend. We're talking about something that happened in the past and finished in the past. Number 6. There's many reasons why I prefer spring over winter. Here we have another subject-verb agreement error. There are many reasons. Reasons is plural, so we need to use the plural form, are, and not there is. Number 7. Jake and his family have been living in New York since 3 years. Okay, in this one, the error is since. It should be, Jake and his family have been living in New York for 3 years. This is a common error with non-native English speakers. For is used with a period of time, like 3 years, while since is used with a point in time, since 2021, for example. Number 8. My sister didn't used to play with dolls as a child. She preferred playing with toy dinosaurs. Okay, in this one, it should not be didn't used to. It should be didn't used to. The correct form after didn't is the base form of the verb, use, not used. She used to play with dinosaurs. She didn't use to play with dolls. Number 9. I don't have no idea how to answer this question on my science quiz. In number 9, we have a double negative. I don't have no idea, and that's considered incorrect in standard English. There are a few ways we can correct this. We could write, I don't have any idea how to answer this question. Or we could write, I have no idea how to answer this question. In English, we avoid using double negatives to make our meaning clear. Number 10. Lauren's house is bigger than my house, but she doesn't have a swimming pool. Okay, in number 10, we have another very common error. It should not be bigger than with an E. It should be bigger than with an A. We use than for comparisons, and then with an E is used for indicating time or sequence. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 10. If you had any difficulty, make sure to check out my other grammar lessons. I have lessons on subject-verb agreement, double negatives, than versus then, used to, etc. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next lesson.